Hi lovelies, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the video of how I dressed my family to a very special event, part 2. Alright, so at this point we are waiting for our ride, and there you go. Our GoSem has arrived and then we are going. So yeah. So if you have not watched the part 1 of the video, check the description box. I'll be dropping the link on the description box so you can check it out. Okay, the part 1 of how I dress my family. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by. You are highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you as you do so. So let's go. So I and my baby girl, we're just having fun in the car, we're just having fun, dancing and all that. By the way, the driver put some music in the car, so we were just dancing. We left the guys by the side. We're just having our own fun. So that was it. Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? You love me. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? You love me. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? And here I stopped to take the program, and the sister in the front said, "Oh, I took extra, take this one." So yeah. And there, wow, see this beauty. Oh, this background is so beautiful. And there I videoed this jw.org. They use jw.org to do this flower. It's so beautiful. So this way we are going to be sitting. I came to drop the flags. Yes, the program has not started. We came early actually. And see now, see the dress I made for my son. I made the dress myself and my baby girl. See that beauty. The video tutorial of her hairstyle is on my channel, so do well to check it out. Okay, see beautiful girl. Always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe? So the program is about to start, and we stand for song and prayer to begin the program. So yeah. Always wanted more. Can you hear me? So at this point, my baby said she wants to pee, so I took her out to go and pee, and this is us coming back. See now, see this beautiful garden. Oh boy. It's giving, like it's giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah, the view is really beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. You guys, tell me what you think. What do you think about this view? Is it beautiful? Do you like it? Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? You love me. And by the time we are back, it was already time for intermission. This break time. Yeah, yeah. So this break time, my kids say I should give them some coins. They want to go and put in the contribution box. So this is them going to put it. And there you go. They put their coins in there. You know, kids, they want to stay there and start playing with the box. And I was like, hey, this is not place to play. Let's go. So yeah. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like my video, okay? Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks. So yeah, this break time, eating, we are eating. My baby girl refused to eat. She was just climbing the chair, and the food I gave her, she threw it on the floor. And my husband has to go and bring broom to come and sweep it. You know, this is the house of God. We need to keep it clean, as our heavenly Father is also clean. So that is it. At this point, the program is over and people has already started going home. You can see everywhere is empty. And that's my Christian sister. We are taking some photos. She and her baby girl. We are taking some photos after the program. She don't want to show her face, so I blocked her face. Yeah. And I'm showing myself. I'm doing some shakara. And my baby girl also, she changed her dress. Thank God I brought this dress. At some point, she was sleeping and she was sweating, and she was like sweating. So I have to remove that clothes because it's too big and she was not getting enough fresh air. So I removed the dress and I put on this one for her. So yeah, we are going home. We have already ordered for our gozem and the gozem has arrived. So this is us going home. We're going to take our gozem. Yeah. Hit that shit, and you want that kid. You bring this back, you don't wanna hit it. Empty cooler is going home. So we are out, and that is our gozem. Right there, right, yeah, that is it. So we are going. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? You love me. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? And we are home. We have gotten home. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you on my next, and bye for now.